Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I will introduce myself and my friends. My name is Wiranda Pratama. You can call me Andra. Number ID 96110533. And my friend.
My name is Muhammad Mufdal Hanif. Number ID 919611049.
Nah, oke. Di sini kami akan membuat video UAS bahasa Inggris. Di sini dialog antara supervisor dan siswa magang. Di sini peran dari Muhammad Mufli Al-Hanif sebagai supervisor dan saya Wiranda Pratama menjadi peserta magangnya. Oke, saya dimulai.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm fine. How is the internship here?
I feel like I can gain more knowledge and my happy because the people are friendly.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Glad to receive your internship here.
Thank you, sir.
What did you do during your internship here?
Manager, repair radiator, remove and install transmission, assembly and disassembly differential, assign a spring, tune up, private maintenance, PM, and others.
Okay. What can you explain from some of your work that you hear?
I can apply both differential.
Okay. Please explain.
The differential is one component that is still part of the vessel propulsion system, so it is existence is very important. And the differential serves as a transfer for the rotary power given by the engine to the wheels so that the car can move forward and backward. Distinguishing between right and left wheel rotation when the car turns.
Okay. What are the components of the differential and state it is function?
The component differential number one, opinion gear serve as a continue the rotation to the side gear when a turning. Number two, side gear serves as a continue the rotation to the pinion gear. Differential case, a function to differential case, a side gear holder, and a pinion gear. Oil seal. Oil seal serves as a preferred oil linkage. Cap seal serve as a oil seal holders. Ring gear serve as a continue the rotation to the differential case. Adjusting serve as adjust a gear gap. Differential housing serve as a stand for all differential components. Drive shaft serve as a continue the rotation from input shaft to a ring gear. As for other components such as a lock plane serve as a looking ring gear to the differential case. A bolt, a looking cap, a bearing, washer serve as where the oil goes and as a pinion gear. Cup bearing serve as a bearing cover. Chain serve as a seal. Locks locks adjusting serve as a locking adjusting a gear. Autorect bearing serve as a inner bearing holder. Shaft pinion gear. Shaft pinion gear serve as a stand pinion gear. Locking shaft pinion gear bearing serve as a reduce friction between two moving components, support the rotation position of component and facilitate rotation on a rotation shaft against a fixed component. Spacer serve as a give distance between front bearing and rear bearing. Not looking drip shaft.
How does differential work?
Differential work. The drive shaft will receive rotation for the transmission, which will be forward to the pinion drive. The drive pinion will rotation the ring gear, and the ring gear together with the differential case will rotation, which the rotation of the differential case. The pinion gear will rotation with the differential case because the differential case and pinion gear are connected to the pinion shaft. Then the pinion gear will continue rotation to the side gear. This side gear rotation will then be forwarded to the final drive to throw the axle shaft.
What personal protective equipment is used when remove, install, and assemble and disassemble differential?
Personal protective equipment. Number one, safety shoes. Safety shoes is one of the personal protective equipment that must be worn by someone when working to avoid the risk of accident. The function of safety shoes is: number one, protects from sharp and dangerous objects. Number two, preventing fatal work incident. Number three, making protected from hot objects. Okay. Number 4, protects from harmful chemical liquid. Number 5, make user not sleep. Helmet. Helmet. Helmet is for personal safety. It will be easier to see if there are potential of heavy equipment that want to pass so as not to hit the worker. The functional helmet is for protecting the head of the worker in order to avoid falling objects and minimize injuries that will hit the worker. The use of safety helmet is needed by several workers who work in work areas such as oil mine, factories, building construction projects, and various other things. And the usage of a safety helmet in such a risky work area is mandatory because it is a main function is for personal protection because the potential for the possibility is quite large and comes for the top of the head. A lot happen inside our environment, so the accident of work safety equipment such as helmet for this project is very important. Number 3, glasses. Safety glasses are protective glasses that cover the area around the eyes. Safety glasses can protect your eyes from dust and splashes of liquid chemical. Number 1, function safety glasses. Number 1, useful as yes protection while working. All. K3, personal protective equipment that you use is definitely a function to protect yourself, especially for safety glasses. You must protect your ears while working. Number 2, protects the ears from small particles such as dust, radiation, edge. Work location such as construction, mine, and laboration are usually always surrounded by dangers in the form of particle such as dust, radiation, and small objects that are in the air and have the potential to injure the yes if not protected by glasses. Uh, I'm sorry, it is a picture. Safety shoes is it is a helmet. Then it is a safety glasses. And number 4, a gloves, hand gloves. Okay. Gloves is one of the personal protective equipment to protect all parts of our hand down to the flanger while doing a job. The safety glove serves to protect our hand from various kinds of hazards, for example from fire, hot and cold temperature, radiation, electric current, impacts, and blow, scarred by scrapped object. Okay. Uh, Thank you for attention and thank you for watching. And see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.